Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's begin with today's class. In today's class, we are going to study about the early historical age. So, we will see that what were the people during the early historical age learning, or what were the things that they used to do. So over here we have this first line, that is, by the middle of the 4th century BC, people started living in kacha or brick house, right? So they started living in an unbaked house, which was also called as a kacha house. People tamed animals like sheep and goat and made clay pots on the potter's wheel while they painted using natural colors. They learned how to make pots from metals like copper and bronze. So, in the time of middle of Stone Age, that is in 4th century, people of that time, or people of historical age, they started making houses of bricks, but of unbaked bricks, right? So, but also what they used to do is they used to live with that house, and they used to live in that house, and along with that they also tamed animals, which means that they also domesticated animals, which animals like sheep, goat, etc. And they also started making clay pots, because till that time they had invented the wheel, right? So with the help of wheel they used to make clay pots, which they painted using natural colors. Along with that, they also painted that pots with with colorful paintings on that. But that time they used to use this natural colors, which was been made out of any flower or any other leaves and mud, etc. They learned how to make pots from the metals like copper and bronze, and slowly they also started to learn about making pots from the metals like copper and bronze. This civilization later came to known as the Harappan civilization, and this type of group who used to make this pots and they used to paint them with natural colors, they also started making metal pots, etc. This civilization, or this group of people, was called as Harappan civilization. Gradually, men started living a civilized life and moved further towards modernization. So, what happened? Slowly, he learned many things and he started earning. He started he started with the crops, like he started growing crops, he started farming, he started using this wheels, he started trading, right? Because of the invention of wheel, they also started trading, and this is how a civilized life was started. And slowly what happened, that civilization started moving further towards modernization, which means that for earlier they used to make pots from clay, right? Slowly, how did they modernize? They modernized by making pots from copper and bronze, right? So they started modernizing themselves, right? They started learning new things, they started learning new skills, and etc. His intelligence level became enhanced and he developed multiple skills. So, because of all these things, their intelligence got more and more developed and they started learning new things as well. His activities also changed and he learned other crafts like pottery and weaving. So, along with that, after pottering and after farming and domesticating animals, they also learned about the weaving process, right? Of weaving means to make cloth, right? He developed the skill of hunting and taming specific animals, right? So they also learn about the hunting. Man learned to use language and also started representing in representing it in the form of some written symbols and signs. So basically, when they started civilizing themselves, what they needed, the first thing they needed, they started working in groups, right? So the first thing when you work in a group is to communicate, right? So to communicate, they need to develop some language. Earlier, in the starting times, they used to communicate, or they used to talk with the help of symbols and signs, right? By now he had perfected the art of sowing and ripening crops and could produce surplus crops. And slowly he started knowing that he knew the perfect art of sowing and ripening crops, which means they used to bow the seeds and they used to grow the crops. And he also produced surplus crops, which means he used to produce more and more crops, so that while when the season changes, they do not need to go from one place to another in search of food. So say they also started knowing about the storage system, right? They started storing that crops, they started growing in a surplus amount, and they started to store the crops. Think what would be the next step in human development for mankind, right? So over here our chapter gets completed, but to give you a quick revision about the chapter, I'm going to explain you the topics, right? See, we studied about the beginning of human life. How did the life begin? So, basically, there were three ages of old age, middle age, and the new stone age. There were three ages of the stone age: the old stone age, the middle stone age, and the new stone age, right? So, in the earlier times, the man was living in the forest. They used to hunt and gather food. They did not knew about the farming system, right? So they used to eat the fruits and vegetables from the plants, directly from the plants. Slowly and gradually what happened, see, he started to make new tools and weapons, right? Why did they started to make new tools and weapons? Because they felt the need of hunting, right? So they used to kill the animals. How can they kill the animals? Because of tools and weapons, right? So they started making new tools and weapons. Slowly there was a discovery of fire. So with the help of fire, what happened? They started cooking food. They started using that fire to protect themselves from the wild animals, right? After that there was the invention of wheel. So because of wheel, what was possible? The pottery system, like the things they used to make, was because of the wheel. The pots they used to make was because of the invention of wheel. Along with that, they also started trading, right? The trading system also started. They can travel easily with the help of wheel. After wheel, there was one more invention, or the primitive man came to know about the cattle rearing system. What is cattle rearing now? Cattle rearing means domesticating animals for their use, right? They used to use that animals for their personal use. Like they used to get the animals they used to domesticate were mostly such animals that used to give them milk and all, right? So with the help of that they started cattle rearing. Slowly he started living in caves, right? How did man started living in caves? See, they started living in two places. Firstly in the caves, and also near the banks of river. Why near the banks of river? So that they can get water and they can also get food to eat. Slowly after that they started living in caves. So while living in caves, he also discovered cave painting, right? He used to he used to paint the caves, right? After that, they there were climate changes, and because of climate change, they used to grow different crops, and in particular season, if they started knowing about the storage system, right? Because of the climate change, all crops cannot be grown in all season. So because of that they started to store things, right? So we also studied about the role of men and women, what role a man used to play and what role a woman used to play. That was not yet discovered, but we can get a rough estimation, or we can assume that these things were be done by the man, like hunting and all can be done by the man, and the paintings can be made by the woman, right? So this was just our estimation, or we just guess about this thing, that thing was possible. Then we studied about the early historical age, like what happened after the stone age was gone. Like they started rearing cattle, they, after that they lived in caves. After that, slowly what happened, they got new skills, they learned about many things, and they started living in the house, right? They made house and they started living in that, and slowly many development was happened, right? So over here our chapter gets over. We'll continue the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.